Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your cooling seats in your 2020 Lexus NX300. And yeah, let me show you guys. So first off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the center console, of course. And once we do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the seat right here with the fan logo right there, and that indicates that it's the cooling one rather than the heated one. And once we click on it, it's gonna activate it on the very highest setting first. Press on it again, and it decreases the intensity, so it's gonna go to medium, low, and then of course off. Same goes on the other side for the passenger seat. Click on it to go high, medium, low, and then off. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.